Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So I just wanted to come at you with something that I just discovered. You guys know that I don't really do like custom orders. Like I no longer have an Etsy shop, so I don't make chip bags or anything like that. So you guys also know, like, I just don't be on social media, Facebook. I don't know nothing about it. But I am on a few different like craft pages. So I went on Facebook just a few days ago and I saw a post. It was at the top of my feed and immediately it caught my eye. It was this glitter, just sparkled out chip bag. I was like, oh my God, I've been sleeping on chip bags. I done lost my touch. I never even seen this, you know. So, girl, I do not want to jack up your name. I'm not going to jack up your name. So I'm just going to call you Miss Ferguson because that was your last name. So I give props and shout out to Miss Ferguson. She did her thing on that chip bag. That chip bag was blinged out. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like in the paper so that you know, as well, you do chip bags, you can do this too. So the paper is from Walmart. I don't know if you can see this, but this paper is like glittered. Can you see that? Like it's sparkling. And this is cardstock that you can actually print on. But you have to have an inkjet printer. I'm not sure how this will do in a laser. But look at that. Like you can see the glitter. You can see it. You can see it. Alright, you guys. Look at that. Like you can see the sparkle in that paper. Like it is ridiculous. And you only get 10 sheets, so you don't get a lot in this pack. So you would definitely have to up the price of your chip bags. But I did an example chip bag just to show you guys. Look at this, you guys. This is so cute. Look at the sparkle. So, y'all, like I said, I've been sleeping on chip bags. I have been sleeping because I don't really make them. Just for, you know, like design purposes for you guys. But look at that. You can see like this printed so good. Like regular paper. Like this is awesome. And it did the little crimps. Look at that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I just wanted to come to you guys and share this with you. Because I know many of you do chip bags. So y'all, be sure to look for this paper. Yeah, that's all for right now. Shout out to Miss Ferguson. She the real MVP of this video. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye.